Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer, where we uncover classic motorcycle deals across the United States. Let's dive into today's vintage finds. Number 1. 1966 BSA 650 Hornet Lightning Spitfire. $8,950, Woodside, California. This 1966 BSA 650 Hornet Lightning Spitfire represents a rare West Coast desert sled configuration, featuring the long strut high front fender mount. California titled and plated, this matching numbers example underwent a ground-up restoration 8 years ago by its second owner and has since been part of a private collection, started and heat-cycled regularly. Powered by the A65H engine with dual AML 930 carburetors and electronic coil ignition, it retains straight pipes as originally equipped. The original fiberglass tank has been professionally sealed, and correct decals, shocks, and metalwork remain in place. With original rims, Dunlop Trials Supreme tires, and collector-grade presentation, this non-negotiable $8,950 example stands out as a clean and highly desirable BSA competition-era machine. Number 2. 1981 Harley-Davidson FLH Shovelhead. $8,600, El Cajon, California. This 1981 Harley-Davidson FLH Shovelhead shows 19,294 original miles and is described as being in like-new condition. Finished as a classic touring model, it includes the original tour pack and batwing fairing, preserving its authentic long-distance character. An S&S Super E carburetor has been fitted for improved performance and throttle response. With a clear California title in hand and strong mileage for its age, this Shovelhead represents one of the final years of the iconic engine platform. Priced at $8,600 in El Cajon, California, it offers solid value for collectors seeking a well-preserved AMF-era touring Harley with desirable upgrades. Number 3. 1984 Honda Goldwing. $2,500, Roseville, California. The 1984 Honda Goldwing continues to symbolize vintage touring comfort and reliability. Showing 33,790 original miles, this example is described as well cared for and running strong. Equipped with period features including FM, AM, cassette, and CB radio, it delivers true 1980s touring nostalgia. Included are original accessories, a service manual, motorcycle cover, and even 2 helmets. With a comfortable touring seat, backrest, and full storage, it remains ready for the road. At just $2,500 in Roseville, California, this Goldwing presents an affordable entry into classic long-distance touring ownership. Number 4. 1975 BMW R90/6. $8,000, Elk Grove, California. This 1975 BMW R90/6 shows only 7,993 original miles and remains largely original, with everything reportedly functioning properly. The forks have been rebuilt and Icon rear shocks installed, though the original shocks are included. As a third-owner bike, it has been carefully maintained and retains strong authenticity. Additional extras include Krauser hard cases with an original BMW rack, spare touring tank, extra fenders, Dunstall mufflers, owner's manual, and parts book. Titled in the seller's name and currently non-operated with the DMV, this $8,000 Elk Grove example offers low-mile airhead appeal with valuable touring accessories. Number 5. 1969 Triumph Daytona T100R. $6,500, Redwood City, California. The 1969 Triumph Daytona T100R delivers classic 500cc British performance in a lightweight, responsive package. This example underwent a ground-up restoration in 2000 by Rabers in San Jose and has seen only 2,000 careful miles since, maintaining excellent overall condition. While repainted in 1972 factory colors, the bike remains otherwise original and presents beautifully more than 2 decades after restoration. With a clean title and strong cosmetic appeal, this $6,500 Daytona in Redwood City, California offers collectors a well-restored and well-preserved example of Triumph's late 60s sport twin heritage. Number 6. 1976 Suzuki GT500, $4,995, Columbia, Tennessee. The 1976 Suzuki GT500 represents one of the last evolutions of Suzuki's durable two-stroke twin platform. Powered by a 492cc air-cooled parallel twin, this model is known for its strong torque, 5-speed gearbox, electronic ignition, and front disc brake, blending classic styling with practical road manners. Producing roughly 44 to 47 horsepower, the GT500 earned a reputation for reliability among vintage two-stroke enthusiasts. This example shows 14,070 miles and has been garage-stored since 1999. With a clean title and solid foundation, it presents a promising restoration candidate. Priced at $4,995 in Columbia, Tennessee, it offers collectors a highly recognizable mid-70s two-stroke with long-term appreciation potential. Number 7. 1972 Norton Commando 750, $9,000, Roseville, California. The 1972 Norton Commando 750 remains one of the most respected British performance twins of its era. Showing 38,000 miles, this example is described as a beautiful, good-running classic with a clean California title in the seller's name. Powered by its iconic 750cc parallel twin, the Commando delivers strong mid-range performance and unmistakable British character. At $9,000 in Roseville, California, this bike appeals to collectors seeking a road-ready vintage Norton with solid presentation and enduring enthusiast demand. Number 8. 1984 Kawasaki GPZ 1100, $5,000, Miami, Florida. The 1984 Kawasaki GPZ 1100 stands as a true muscle-era sport bike from the early superbike wars. With 20,000 miles and a clean title, this street-legal example reportedly runs and rides great. It features a 4x1 Vance & Hines header and K&N filter, along with fresh oil and new spark plugs. While the bike has received a repaint, it remains largely original. The rear tire shows dry rot despite having tread, something buyers should note. At $5,000 in Miami, Florida, this GPZ 1100 offers strong value for collectors looking for a powerful 1980s leader-class classic. Number 9. 1970 Moto Guzzi Ambassador, $5,800, Mustang, Oklahoma. The 1970 Moto Guzzi 750 Ambassador delivers classic Italian V-twin touring heritage. This original example includes period-correct accessories and chrome cylinder replacements, maintaining its vintage character. Showing 65,085 miles, it remains a good runner with a rebuilt starter and current Oklahoma title. Powered by its longitudinal 750cc V-twin engine, the Ambassador is known for durability and smooth torque delivery. Priced at $5,800 in Mustang, Oklahoma, this machine offers distinctive European styling and long-distance capability in the classic touring segment. Number 10. 1987 Yamaha Maxim 700, $3,500, Fort Lauderdale, Florida. The 1987 Yamaha Maxim 700 blends cruiser styling with dependable Japanese engineering, showing 16,779 miles and described as running perfectly. This example features a new tank while otherwise remaining original, positioning it as a potential collector's item from the mid-80s era. Powered by a 700cc inline-4 engine, the Maxim offers smooth performance and everyday usability. At $3,500 in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, it represents an affordable and reliable vintage cruiser with clean title status. Number 11. 1966 BSA Mark IV 650cc, $4,000, Jasper, Georgia. The 1966 BSA Mark IV 650cc reflects classic British twin engineering from the mid-1960s. Described as running great, this clean title example comes from a collector and has been stored, though it has not been started in the past 2 years. As a 650cc British twin, it delivers the traditional kickstart experience and mechanical simplicity enthusiasts appreciate. Priced at $4,000 in Jasper, Georgia, this Mark IV presents a solid opportunity for buyers seeking a vintage BSA with strong foundational condition and collectible appeal. Number 12. 1977 Bultaco Frontera 370cc, $1,800, Camarillo, California. The 1977 Bultaco Frontera 370cc represents classic Spanish enduro performance from the golden era of two-stroke off-road machines. Powered by a 370cc big-bore single, this model was built to handle both rugged trails and open terrain, and this example is described as running great while remaining street legal. With a clean California title and strong usability for either street or dirt, it offers versatility rarely found in vintage dual-purpose bikes. Priced at $1,800 in Camarillo, California, this Frontera stands out as an affordable entry into collectible European off-road heritage. Number 13. 1974 Honda CB750, $5,900, Encino, California. The 1974 Honda CB750 remains one of the most influential motorcycles ever produced, defining the superbike category in the early 1970s. This example shows 23,400 miles and is described as running great, with recent mechanical attention including rebuilt forks, new tubes in tires, replaced oil hoses, fresh intake rubbers, and a 6-month-old Yamiya ducktail seat with the original seat included. Notably, the 4x4 exhaust system is free of rust or holes, and everything reportedly functions properly. Still retaining some original factory inspection paint, this clean title California bike reflects careful ownership and long indoor storage history. At $5,900 in Encino, it represents a strong example of Honda's iconic inline-four legacy. Number 14. 1981 BMW R100 CS, $4,289, Marietta, Georgia. This 1981 BMW R100 CS is a thoughtfully built airhead, combining a 1976 R90 frame and wheels with the engine, drivetrain, and body components from a 1981 R100 CS. Originally assembled by a BMW technician for a classic /6 inspired look, it has since been restored with correct bodywork, fairing, and seat. Producing 70 horsepower through 40mm carburetors, this example shows 38,900 documented miles with service history and has undergone a comprehensive refresh, including paint, forks, and brake system components. Titled as a 1976 R90 due to the frame VIN, this $4,289 Marietta offering presents a unique and well-sorted airhead with strong performance credentials. Number 15. 1986 Yamaha Riva 125, $800, Central Austin, Texas. The 1986 Yamaha Riva 125 captures mid-1980s scooter practicality in a lightweight, automatic package. Showing 16,698 miles with a clean title, this example presents as cosmetically fair, with minor scuffs and faded paint. The seat has been replaced previously, though it now shows some splits. Currently not running, the seller has refreshed the fuel, cleaned the carburetor, and replaced the battery, but reports no spark during starting attempts. For buyers willing to diagnose electrical or ignition issues, this Riva offers a low-cost project opportunity. At just $800 in Central Austin, Texas, it stands as an affordable entry into vintage scooter ownership. That wraps up today's classic lineup. Like and subscribe to Moto Market Explorer for daily vintage motorcycle deals from across the United States.